What if something as simple as eating just 2 dates a day could dramatically transform your energy, digestion, skin, and even protect your heart? Sounds too good to be true, right? But science and centuries of tradition say otherwise. In this video, we're breaking down what actually happens to your body when you eat 2 dates daily for just 7 days. And the results may completely change how you view this overlooked superfruit. With so many processed snacks on the market, it's easy to ignore natural foods that quietly deliver massive health benefits. But your body could be missing out on a simple change that boosts your well-being in less than a week. Don't wait until your energy crashes or your digestion worsens. Start now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how 2 dates a day can improve your health, backed by nutrition facts, expert insight, and actionable advice. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss simple, science-backed wellness tips. Number 1. Instant energy boost. Ever feel that mid-morning slump where your energy just seems to vanish? Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack, imagine grabbing just 2 dates and feeling a natural lift in minutes. Dates are packed with natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which your body absorbs quickly to provide an almost immediate energy boost. Unlike processed energy bars that often lead to crashes, dates offer sustained vitality without the roller coaster effect. A study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found that athletes who consumed dates before exercise experienced longer stamina and better performance compared to those who consumed artificial energy bars. When you eat 2 dates, their sugars rapidly fuel your cells, giving you a clean surge of energy that's perfect for a busy workday, a workout session, or even a mental boost during afternoon meetings. Plus, you avoid the hidden preservatives and refined sugars that often sabotage your health in packaged snacks. So next time you need a pick-me-up, remember, 2 dates might just be your secret weapon for natural, lasting energy. Number 2. Improved digestion. Struggling with digestion or irregular bathroom habits? Just 2 dates a day could make a remarkable difference. Dates are a rich source of dietary fiber, with a single date containing nearly 2 grams of it. That's a lot packed into such a small bite. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health. It acts like a natural broom, sweeping through your intestines, helping to prevent constipation, and promoting smooth, regular bowel movements. But that's not all. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. When these beneficial bacteria thrive, your digestion becomes more efficient, your immune system strengthens, and your overall health improves. According to research published in Nutrients Journal, individuals who increase their fiber intake often report better digestion, less bloating, and a noticeable improvement in gut health within just a week. So, those 2 dates, they're doing a lot more behind the scenes than you might realize. Number 3. Glowing, healthier skin. Ever wish your skin could glow naturally without layers of makeup or expensive treatments? Eating just 2 dates a day might help you achieve that. Dates are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, 2 powerhouse nutrients that protect your skin from free radicals, the unstable molecules that cause premature aging and dullness. Antioxidants in dates work from the inside out, neutralizing damage and promoting the repair of skin cells. Dermatological studies have shown that a regular intake of antioxidant-rich foods like dates can significantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Plus, vitamin C stimulates collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. So by simply adding 2 dates to your daily routine, you're giving your skin a natural boost of nourishment, helping it stay radiant, resilient, and visibly healthier. Number 4. Enhanced heart health. Want to protect your heart with just a tiny habit change? Eating 2 dates a day could be a simple but powerful step. Dates have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries, and they actively support overall heart function. Research from Harvard University highlights that a high intake of dietary fiber, like the kind found in dates, can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber helps clear excess cholesterol from the body, naturally improving your cardiovascular health. But there's more. Dates are rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help regulate blood pressure levels. By keeping blood pressure balanced, you're reducing strain on your heart and decreasing the risk of stroke or heart attacks. It's amazing how just two little fruits can quietly work to keep your heart strong and healthy. Number 5. Better brain function. Imagine boosting your memory and sharpening your focus just by eating 2 dates a day. Sounds simple, right? It is. Dates are packed with brain-boosting nutrients that support learning, memory retention, and overall mental clarity. Animal studies have shown that dates can significantly reduce inflammation in the brain, which is a major factor in cognitive decline. Chronic inflammation is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, but compounds in dates, especially polyphenols, act as powerful defenders. They shield your brain cells from damage, keeping your mind sharper for longer. By consistently adding dates to your daily routine, you're giving your brain essential tools to fight off aging-related decline. Whether you're studying, working, or simply want to stay mentally sharp, those 2 little dates can make a big difference. Number 6. Stronger bones. Think strong bones only come from dairy? Think again. Dates are a hidden powerhouse when it comes to bone health. They're loaded with critical minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, all essential for maintaining strong, dense bones. Nutritional analysis confirms that regular consumption of mineral-rich foods like dates can help prevent osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. This is especially important for older adults and women post-menopause, who are at a higher risk of bone density loss. By eating just 2 dates a day, you're giving your body a natural supply of bone-supporting nutrients, helping to fortify your skeletal system from the inside out. It's a simple, delicious habit that can pay off massively as you age. Number 7. Weight management help. Trying to manage your weight but constantly battling sweet cravings? Here's a tasty solution. Eat 2 dates a day. Despite their natural sweetness, dates can actually support weight control rather than derail it. Thanks to their high fiber content, dates promote a strong feeling of fullness, known as satiety. According to research, foods rich in fiber can significantly reduce hunger pangs and help you stay satisfied longer, which naturally leads to eating fewer calories overall. Instead of reaching for processed snacks or desserts that spike your blood sugar, grabbing 2 dates can satisfy your sweet tooth while also stabilizing your appetite. It's a smart, healthy swap that can prevent overeating and help you stay on track with your weight management goals, all while still enjoying a delicious treat. Number 8. Immune system boost. Want a simple way to strengthen your immune system naturally? Just 2 dates a day could be your secret weapon. Dates are loaded with essential vitamins like B6 and K, along with powerful antioxidants that help your body fight off infections and illnesses. Studies in immunology consistently show that antioxidant-rich foods are linked to fewer infections and faster recovery times. The antioxidants in dates help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and keeping your immune defenses strong and ready. By making dates a daily habit, you're giving your body extra protection against common colds, flus, and other seasonal bugs. It's an easy, delicious way to fortify your health, especially during times when your immune system needs all the support it can get. Number 9. Reduced inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of many serious health problems, but what if 2 simple dates a day could help fight it? Dates are naturally rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, especially flavonoids and carotenoids, which actively reduce inflammation throughout the body. Scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of dates can lower markers of inflammation, offering protection against chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Reducing chronic inflammation is crucial for long-term health. When your body is inflamed, it's constantly in a state of stress, silently damaging tissues and organs over time. By eating just 2 dates a day, you're giving your body natural anti-inflammatory support, helping to protect yourself from many of the most common and devastating diseases before they even start. Conclusion. From glowing skin and a stronger heart to improved digestion and sharper brain power, it's clear. These tiny fruits offer some seriously big rewards. Just 2 dates a day can set off a chain reaction of positive changes throughout your entire body. So, why not challenge yourself? Starting today, add 2 dates to your daily routine and experience the natural transformation for yourself. It's a small habit that could lead to some truly life-changing benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below about your experience with dates. Have you tried adding them to your diet? Are you noticing any changes? We'd love to hear your journey, and your story might inspire someone else to start theirs too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more simple, powerful ways to boost your health naturally.